Internet friends and family. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2013, and I've been asking people what are winters in Tucson like. So yesterday I asked the guy who was sitting next to me in the training class. He's like, glory days are almost here. He's like, it's 70, 80 degrees. He hates the heat. He's like, he can't wait for the warm winters. So I was talking with some people in my immediate office today, and they're like, oh no, it gets cold. It can have a hard freeze. Kind of sounds similar to Henderson winter weather. One guy who lives kind of up by the different mountain range, he showed me a picture with snow on it, and he said he's had snow in his yard. Some people have said they've had snow, but it doesn't stick. So we'll just have to wait and see. But it just seems like it depends on who you talk to and where they live in the area, what kind of winter they have. No rain today. It was cloudy most of the day, though, I think. A little bit warmer. I actually went out to my car during lunch and made a couple of phone calls, so that was nice. Just to get out for a little bit. I have to get some better shoes, though, so I can go take a little walk during lunch. But I think it is cooling down a little bit. School starts next week, so the madness will really begin around campus. But anyway, my kids are punkers. Yeah, so it's a good day, good hump day, and didn't really even have any meetings today. Just worked on a couple projects, did some cleanup stuff, did some reading. The getting up to speed continues. I hope you've had a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.